Yo, where the babes at? Yo, where the weed at though? where the sweaty butt crack? It's like he's like, yeah, in about a week I'd say I do about 15 minutes of work. And we'll get there eventually. You want to bring food? Cause like, I'm pretty sure like.
Don't they live like 2 hours anyways?
Dragonflies?
Yeah.
Dang, that's sad.
No, I'm kidding. I'm pretty sure it was like a week.
That, like,
what?
That's a joke. That's a joke.
Why the f do they do that to us? Like, we're like children. Why are they?
Hunger Games.
Why are they putting all this like up like world
Alternate
shit
realities.
on us?
They're trying to scare us.
Yeah, we read
into-
this one where like there's like these two kids living with their parents, and they had this room where they could like simulate anything, right? The lions like come to life and kill the dad because the kids wanted to kill him. It's like that's up. Why are we reading this as like 10-year-olds?
Because that's lit. Hey, si senor. That is a baller view. We should just create a battle royale, but it's literally just Clash Royale. So it's like
No, like
there's
Clash so many of those.
It's like, no, but like real life. Hey, first day on the new feet.
yeah.
Earth be nasty as I got that on video. he jumped and slipped and landed on his butt and then bounced right back up. Are you okay?
Me too.
Bend it like Beckham.
Damn, Brady, what happened to your side?
He fell multiple times in the last 10 minutes.
Kind of want to try to cross.
No, I'm gonna.
I kind of want to forge the river.
All right, we're gonna try to cross the river. Probably not the smartest thing, but you know, we're not the smartest guys either. I'm gonna switch to my GoPro.
I honestly don't think I can do it.
Here, I'm coming, boys. Ah! 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 Oh. Gets way worse later. Oh my gosh, this is hard. Oh my gosh, that took us 3 minutes. Whew. My legs. Oh my gosh. My legs. Uh-huh. That's a coffee pot.
That's coffee.
Here, it's up here is the best.
Donald Trump.
Now what?
Matt, come here. Come on.
Here, buddy. Come on.
Come on, Matt.
Come on, Matt, come here.
Oh, yeah. Power. Yeah, we know. This is good. This is gonna be some good ass video right here. We're first.
No, I didn't even hold on long enough to get to the top.
Oh my god!
Hell yeah.
Burn it off.
Let's get up.
What in the fuck? How did that happen? Oh, Jesus! Ah! It's moving.
Get it off.
It's gonna kill me.
It's stuck on there.
Okay, go.
It's fucking leech. That's what it does.
It's gross. That's so gross.
It's literally stuck. I'm gonna die.
You're fine.
Is it off?
Off.
No, it's still there. Why? How is it? It's still there. Okay, hold on.
I need a real stick.
Come on. Fucking rock. Come on. Yeah, you got him.
Kill it.
Smite it. What? That's still alive?
Smite it.
That's gross. Now I don't know if I want to go in.
I would become a cat. That'd be so
Alright,
sick.
I'm gonna go
People would
after this
just
kid.
pet me.
Alright.
I wouldn't have spotted that though. Like, I would have just had a leash
Yeah, you
on
would have
me.
just been getting your blood sucked for.
Like, I didn't even feel it.
Yeah, what do they do with the blood? Do they suck it?
Yes.
On the game.
This is a crazy. It's a crazy grid you got going on here. Yeah. You're not that cold.
Alright, first take off.
Mac, you filming?
Yeah.
I'm Chester Storm, and this is Jack.
Let's go. Let go. There we go.
Hell yeah.
You should get a gun mounted on that drone. That'd be epic. Mr. Sheriff, it's Rick.
Until we're in international waters.
I deem this international waters. I deem this the new port of Rick. Take 513.
Alright. Go.
What's that?
Yeah, he doesn't even... He just goes straight down.
Get the time.
Yeah, judging...
By the sun, it's in the 2/3 quadrant. 4...
It's like 2:55.
2:55, 3:10. Yeah.
I checked like 2 seconds ago.
Okay, I saw this scene on like
Bloodletting.
a movie where like these kids like they had like a bunch of leeches on their backs and they're like all getting him off. And this one kid like reaches his pants and pulls out a leech and then he passes out.
Oh.
I'll go one more. Yeah.
I'll go one more. Then we out of this.
That's probably what I'll say when I'm homeless.
Eric, you're welcome.
Oh, thank you. Don't say it.
Read my lips. I think it's going.
It's on autofocus.
I'm good at this.
We gotta find somewhere to put this.
Hide it.
This is some good footage. This is a good camera.
Yeah, thank you. Standard over under knot. You know, they teach you this stuff in Boy Scouts. So guess what?
Chester, remember the time when Corrigan did the funny thing?
I never did Boy Scouts. See this?
Ancient artifact.
Worth millions.
Old railroad stick.
What's that build? Where do we come in?
I don't know, somewhere over here. Also, so my dick.
All she needed was at a Clippers game on the court side. Watch a nigga shoot like a 4-5. They mad at me too, I got more fire. Why these bitches see you? Go home ride.